Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater engine for sale today. This is a F50. It's a 2002 model. Came back with 190 PSI on all 4 cylinders. Lower unit pressure tested good. Actually, it pressure tested bad at first, so we did a complete reseal. It's good to go now. The prop, it'll come with the prop that is on it. I do not guarantee it to work on your boat to get the correct RPMs, things like that. I just put a prop with it, something that you can test it, try to figure out what prop will work best for your boat. It may be the best prop for your boat, I just can't guarantee it. Let's see here, it'll come with a good used control box, new spark plugs, new impeller, new oil filter, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, and new power head oil. This was a trade-in on a brand new engine. He just upgraded to a higher horsepower and a later model. This one is 4-stroke, it is carbureted, but does run really good. Go ahead and get this thing fired up here. Pumping good water. Carbureted does not really bother me anymore. If you're running 91 non-oxy, you don't have the same issues you used to have with 87, where you're rebuilding carburetors every single year. You don't have that. You take care of your fuel, you use it up, you don't keep the same gas in there for 3 years, you'll be fine. Go ahead and give it a couple seconds here. I can turn this engine into a tiller. It would be an added cost, but it is possible. I can still get the parts for it. Go ahead and put it forward. It does cavitate in the tank. There's nothing I can do about that. Go back to neutral. Reverse. Back to neutral. Shut it off. Fire it back up. Probably need to adjust the throttle cable, give it a little more throttle at low idle. That's kind of why I put it out right there. But if you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.